Hello everyone, I'm Navina Bashkar and I'm taking diploma in management. So today I'm going to present about how to succeed in an interview. Finding a suitable job after graduating from university is always desire of most young people. That can be quite easy to one period, but sometimes it can also be very difficult at another time, especially during the economic crisis time as today. So today I'm going to tell about before and during the interview. So the first point is prepare. So the prepare is what are the things you should prepare before an interview. The first one is resume, and second one is outfits, and third one is materials. So the first one for the resume is very important for an interview, and you can bring your certificates too along with your resume. The second one is outfit. Outfit is must important for attend a interview, and it must be in a formal and decide what you are wearing, it and make sure your clothes are washed and ironed. That means clean and neat. And the third one is materials. You should bring your materials to interview. It means you can bring a pen or pencil or notepad to collect notes. And the second point is punctuality. Why is punctuality important, and what are the punctual things? So the first one is time management, and the second one is travel management. For the time management is plan your route to reach 30 minutes before the scheduled time, and it also relieves you from stress. And the second one is travel management, and there is got two ways, and the one is public transport and one is own transport. Uh, you should arrange that time if you are using one of these traveling ways. And the third point is speaking. So how to speak in an interview? The first one is fluently, the second one is clearly, and the third one is calmly. For the fluently is speak English in fluently, and your pronunciation must be in a good, and do not be afraid of speaking. And the second one is clearly. You must speak clearly, and for the opposite member must understand what you are speaking. And the third one is calmly. You should speak very calmly to the opposite member, and not to be rude and or arrogant, and talk polite to opposite members, and focus only the words, their meaning and their beauties. And the last point is expressive. You should express yourself in interview, and what are the expressive you need in an interview. So the first one is positive manner, the second one is confident, and the third one is honest. For the positive manner, you should greeting them, and for example say good morning or good evening, and introduce yourself to them. The second one is confident. uh, for the confident is make eye contact with the opposite member, and maintain good posture, and prepare and rehearse your answers, and be kind to yourself before the interview. And the last one is honest. For the honest is being honest in an interview also shows what type of person you are, and tell them what are the skills that you have known. And lastly is be smart and be strategic. So this is the four keys to succeed, to how to succeed in an interview, and it's very easy if you know how to do it. You have to just follow the main keys that I have given now, and just follow these most important keys. That's all from me, and thank you.